Preparation of potato chips. Potato chips are very tasty and crispy snack. It is mostly taken with tea. It can be made through some simple steps. At first, potatoes are collected from the market. Then they are sorted and the rotten ones are removed. Then good potatoes are cleaned with fresh water. After that, they are sliced thinly into round pieces. Then salt and spices are added to it. Thereafter, oil is heated in a pan and potato chips are fried deep till the color changes into deep brown. Now the chips are ready. Finally, the chips are packed and labeled. It is now ready to be sold.